This is a quick follow-up for questions that I've gotten about the CarePod humidifier. So I'm going to record this quick and easy because I know y'all are interested in this humidifier you might buy for your kids or yourself. And I'm just going to show you one, how I quickly clean it, and two, some more measurements that a few of you have asked for. So to clean it, it's super easy. It's really only two parts. I've been using this for a week. Both my girls have coughs, and basically what I do is just I put some soap. You can use this or dish soap or vinegar. It really doesn't matter. It's not really dirty. It's just sometimes the water can accumulate on the bottom. So you can use a sponge, or I usually just do like a quick whiff, and I just grab all the sides and I just swish it around so the soap gets all of it. And what I've noticed is that the scum always collects on the bottom. So I just give it a very quick wipe down like this. And it's not so bad. You can kind of see a little bit of the scum. If I had not cleaned it this weekend, which was a few days ago, then sometimes it does get a little bit more dark brown, which is kind of gross. But I will usually just give it a fairly quick, easy wipe down for the basket or the tank. And that's usually how this one is. And then after this, I will usually just leave it on a piece of paper towel and let it air dry. And that is that for the bottom part. The more interesting part will be the top. Because this part is electronic and you plug the power cord in here, you don't want to get the bottom wet. So usually after a week, this part gets red. So I will just do the same thing. I'll take a sponge with a little bit of soap. That's really all it needs. And I would just go in here and clean out that hole. And I don't know, sometimes I'll even use my finger. It's okay, just wash your hands after, you know? You don't have to overthink it. Nothing really gets that dirty. I will wipe down the wand. And once in a while, I will check the part here. This part is easy to take out, but you need a little nail to do it. And just make sure that you don't have any mold or anything growing under there. So it's a little wet, and you see this little spot of red. So I might take it out. It looks okay, so I'm not going to actually, but I will just always take a little peek and just make sure when you take it out that you remember which part goes in. It's always this like little part with the space in the middle, and then you kind of just take it out like an entire band. It's pretty secure, so just make sure you get it all in. And again, it looks good, so I'm not going to go in there. I just don't have the energy with both of my kids sick and coughing today. And yeah, I'll just wipe it down. I mean, you can see it doesn't look dirty at all. Just, you know, make sure you check for the scum that kind of accumulates on the parts that actually go into the water, and you're kind of all set. All right, the other part that people had a question about was how long is the power cord. Throw that over there. So this part is about almost 3 inches. Going across is 1.5. All right, so if you're measuring that for your outlet, there you go. I will attempt to measure the length of this accurately. So let me keep going. Sorry, this is now upside down, but it's working. It's pretty long. All right, so this is gonna be about 70 inches. All right, I hope this is helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment and I'll get that recorded for you. Thanks.